Hi guys, my name is Destini and I am a prior Reed migraine patient. I suffered from daily persistent and chronic migraines for 2 years. I had the migraines from the time I woke up to the time I went to bed every single day, and nothing would take the pain away. I went to various doctors, was admitted into numerous hospitals trying IV treatments, IV medication, oral medication, nerve blocks, injections, you name it, I had it. And as a last resort, my headache specialist sent me to Reed Migraine Centers to see if I was a candidate for the Reed procedure. And I was, and I had the procedure 5 years ago, and it continues to be very successful for me. Whereas I had migraines every single day, I maybe have them once or twice a year. And they can be calmed and broken by medication or IV treatment, whereas before none of that would have helped. So I have attached a link to my story below if you would like to check that out. And I plan to make more of these videos every so often. So if you have any questions about the procedure or about my personal experience, or a topic that you would like to see me talk about on these videos, please comment below. Alright, see you next time.